welcome back to our channel. And today we're going to be reviewing the Na 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 Surprise Bunny Edition. Yay! So, here is the Na 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 Surprise.
And this is my doll because she already has one.
Yep. So, we're going to be opening it and see what's inside.
Yes! I need help. I need help. So I'm viewing it. I hope she has clothes on it.
Yeah, so the only problem is where do we put it?
We just have to do this. Okay. We can a little bit of help. We can't the box. It's all
I'm trying to
plastic.
crush it.
Who's gonna
So it
help
looks like
us?
it doesn't work with scissors. Please be tape here somewhere.
I can't open it, please. I need someone to help us.
Oh, push here to open. Oh, okay. I think it's.
We did it.
Yeah, we just. How do we? Oh, wait, right here. We need scissors.
Oh, we're revealing our own toys. Really good, right?
Yeah. So there's. I think there's tape here. I'm not sure.
No, you have to open it.
Yeah. So.
Then we can open it. So we have this girl with clothes and shoes. So pretty, right?
Yeah.
But she needs help. Can you need help?
No, you're too little to use scissors.
I want to go to videos.
Okay.
You know, that surprise are so cool.
Yeah.
And if you see this, go to, if you want this is in Target. If
Yeah, if you want to shop for this, it's from Target.
Yeah, all of them. There's a collection of these.
Well, there's, I guess there is a collection. I'm not sure.
Yeah, there's so much.
So, okay, I think we got it.
Okay, now.
Okay, we got it.
Cool.
Oh my god, this is so big. How do we take it out?
We need some help. Need some help?
No, I think I just need to cut it out.
I'll
Wait, no,
help
it's
you.
okay. Pull it! We can't. I guess we just need to pop it. You know what? Let's just use the scissors.
Open it. Oh no, we're popping it.
I think we should pop it.
We're taking it out. We can't open it. Oh, let's open it. Let's open it.
Just rip the box. We can't really rip it because it's made out of glass.
What the heck?
Move here! Oh, what the heck? There is a lot of confetti.
Yeah.
Guess we just need to pop it.
What the heck is this in my hand?
Pop it! Wait, I don't think it's the right time to pop.
Funny thing, I can't even pop it. There's so much confetti in here.
Relax, it's just confetti! It's not confetti out.
Where's it all over the place,
It's
Marcella?
fine.
Get out of the bed.
Just come next to me.
Okay.
Yeah, anyway, I think we just need to pop it.
Yeah, pop it out. Just open it. Just open it.
I guess. How come it's not open? Oh, there we go. Okay, so. Oh, it looks like it's like a keychain.
Yes, we can see. Let's see. Yeah,
We're having some difficult double date. Wait, did I just say double date? I'm so stupid.
You have you know, I mean Marcella, can you?
Okay, so
We're gonna do.
cut this part to make it bigger. Please get it. Okay. Okay, we got it.
Anyhow.
I ripped it.
Ooh.
So there's some. So these are the blind bags.
Okay, I'll open this one.
So this is what it looks like.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
thing that my sister has is literally the same thing.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Here's a panda. Super cute.
Yeah,
It's really fluffy.
yeah.
Has a little zipper, but we're gonna be doing that.
Later, and now we're
Yeah.
we're gonna open it.
Yeah, so my sister's gonna be opening it.
Okay, here. See, we got it. Ooh, look cute.
Okay, so
Yeah,
we
that's-
got. Wait, that's it? Oh! So we. Oh! So here are shoes. Super pretty. It has a little bow on it. I don't know if you can see it.
So cute.
It's pink with a little bit of light brown.
Yeah. So we're gonna put a.
Now we're gonna be opening this one.
It's so cool, right?
Yep.
What you got? What
Okay,
you-
so I think this is the outfit.
What outfit you got? What you
I
got?
think it's kind of like a flower. Wait, is this a dress? Cause it's kind of. Oh yeah, it is. Wow, super pretty.
So big.
So wait, I'm just gonna close it so you can see. So this is a flower dress. It's really poofy. Has these little flowers, and it has these invisible things so you could put on your doll.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna be opening this. So unlock the zipper.
Wow.
Okay. So you can use this to put anything inside in the panda thing.
I'll take it out with you.
Okay.
Okay,
We got it out.
So cute.
So this is what it looks like.
Yeah, we're gonna open it.
The doll. Oh wait, this has tape. I hate when things have tape.
Okay. Oh my god.
Oh wow!
She has a cat. Oh,
So-
there's something in her head. Ow.
No, it's okay. Just leave it there.
She's a panda. She's a panda.
So she's a panda girl. So as you can see, she has a little beanie, which is a panda. She has beautiful brown eyes.
Yeah.
And she has beautiful chocolate hair that's really curly.
Yeah.
It's chocolate hair.
Yeah. Until they.
She's wearing like this beautiful flower swimsuit. I don't know. And she has this little
Wait.
thing in her wrist.
What's that?
So she could move her arm and her
Yeah.
leg.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
so it's put
So
her
we're gonna be
outfit
put
on.
her outfit on to see what she looks like with her outfit. Not gonna lie, she is super pretty.
Yeah. I just really like it. I just
Okay,
really.
so we're going to put it
She looks so
on her.
beautiful. Today, this is gonna be the last video we do, but she looks
Okay.
so
Now
beautiful.
we're gonna put some shoes on her. Okay. And we're gonna be doing
Yeah.
this.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what she looks like with her
New.
her
Right.
shoe.
The shoe's falling down.
Yeah.
I know you.
It's kind of hard putting those shoes on.
Yeah.
But it's okay. So this is what she looks like with the dress on and her beautiful shoes.
Yeah.
So, in conclusion, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like,
Like.
subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Bye!